Hey all, hope you all are doing good, staying safe and happy. Welcome back on Spices and More. Eid is just approaching, so I thought of sharing with you one variation of Sheer Kurma, which is heart and soul of every Eid. So let's begin and start with the recipe. For that I've heated a pan and I'll be adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. And let the ghee melt completely. Keep the flame on low to medium. Once the ghee melts, I'll be adding in roasted vermicelli. This is the thin variety of vermicelli which is pre-roasted, but I'll roast it so that it absorbs the ghee. And then I'll be adding half cup of mixed nuts. These are chopped finely. In that I've taken almonds, cashew nuts, then charmagaj or melon seeds and few raisins. Saute it for a while. Let the ghee get absorbed by the vermicelli and the nuts. Keep the flame on low to medium or else the vermicelli will burn. Next I added in this 2 cloves or lavang as you call it. If you don't like the flavor, you can escape it. And here I am adding 1 liter of full fat milk. This is the room temperature milk. Means I have boiled it first and then I got this milk on room temperature. Don't use low fat milk. Next I added 1/3 cup of sugar. You get that creamy texture and richness in this Sheer Kurma only with the full fat milk and not low fat milk. Give it a mix. If you want to increase the sweetness, you can always increase it, but we don't prefer too much sweetness. And then I'll be adding 1/4 cup of condensed milk. This will give thick and creamy texture for this Sheer Kurma. Again give it a mix. Let this Sheer Kurma get cooked on low to medium flame slowly. So after about 10 minutes I am adding 1 tablespoon of custard powder mixed with half cup of milk. And this will give custard flavor to this Sheer Kurma. Give it a mix. And this was the twist I was talking about. You must have tried and tasted the regular Sheer Kurma. Just for a change, make it this way and you are going to absolutely relish this. And once you added the custard powder with milk, mix it continuously. And in some time you will notice the milk will start thickening. Now the vermicelli is also cooked properly. The milk is also reduced little. At this point, switch off the flame and let it cool down for about 5 minutes. Now as you can see, it's become very thick and very creamy. And eventually it will go on becoming more thicker. So after about 5 minutes I added here 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give it a mix and this will enhance the flavor. And our Sheer Kurma is ready. You can serve it chilled or hot as per your preference. I hope you like today's recipe. Enjoy this Eid with this absolutely delicious Sheer Kurma which is custard flavored. If you like today's recipe, please hit that like button. Share this recipe with your loved ones. Enjoy this Eid with your family. See you in my next videos. Happy Eid to everyone and thanks for watching.